All right, so we're chilling here in Croatia at Sandy Beach. I got a fine crew of women here with me, all from Thailand, Australia, LA, Las Vegas, London. Where else? Where else are we from? Switzerland. We have our Croatian driver over here, and we're enjoying a beautiful day here in. Where are we at? Dubrovnik still? Dubrovnik? Well, what city are we in?
Lockwood Island, soon beach.
Lockwood Island? Altwood. As people are jumping in the water. It's absolutely beautiful here. There's a beautiful beach. We'll run the B-roll. Check it out. What an amazing day today, guys. What do you think? It was amazing.
Yeah.
We are leaving the harbor right now. It was a fantastic day. We did, what was the first place we went to? We went to Sandy Beach, and then we went to a very nice restaurant, and then we had fish, local fare, and then we did the cave, the blue cave. I swam all the way in. I was the only, oh no, one girl went in. No, one of the girls went in too, but she went along in the shore, remember? Yeah, so two of us went in. It was pretty fun. I was out of breath. I thought I was gonna drown. I was like, get me to the boat, please. Well, that's a wrap. We'll talk to everybody later.